All right guys, in today's video is going to be pretty exciting. We got a new front end for the truck. Like I said, I want to go for like that military black look. These are OEM original. They're shot. I polished them out already and they still look like yellow and gross. The new ones I bought have a black housing. I'll show you guys in a bit. But the main thing that's killing me is this chrome. I don't like chrome, so eventually I'm going to get rid of this today, upgrade the headlights, and then eventually we're going to color match the rear bumper is the same as the truck. And then another thing I want to do is all the emblems, we're gonna either paint them or plastic dip, probably most likely plastic dip, and then paint them later to a glossy black. I'm gonna remove the V6 and the SR5. I think that looks so terrible. Doesn't look that great. Let me show you the setup. So here are some depot headlights that I got off of Amazon, OEM replacements. As you can see, there's a black housing, there's a little film over it right now. I'm gonna leave that until I finish installing them. Here's the grill. I ordered this on eBay from some Toyota in Indiana. It's a color match black. This is just regular black. Mine has a pearl to it, so it's not the correct color, but I couldn't find the pearl one, so I opted out for that. It was kind of expensive, like 200 bucks, but I think it's gonna make a huge difference. This has the honeycomb, which will look a little more sporty. Here's the other headlight so you can see. So it's gonna give it a better look and it's gonna look a lot fresher, the truck, and I think it's gonna go really well with the wheels that we installed. First thing, we want to pop the hood open. So it looks like for the grill, all the screws are on the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 10s in the middle. Let's start taking those off. Now I think the rest is holding by some clips. So the clip now that's holding, it's hard to see, but it's right here next to the headlight. It's just a little clip. And there's another clip here, right here on the headlight. It's the only thing that's holding it. And then there's one in the middle, but I think it's just to line it up. So let me try to pop these clips out real quick. All right, so I got the front grill off. Very, very easy. So it's 1 screw, 2 screws, clip, 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 clip. Now to remove the headlights, that's next. All right, I'm losing a lot of light, but I got one installed. I cheated real quick just to see how it's done. This one's already installed. Looks so good. Just missing the little piece right here. I'll put it on in a bit. But look how good that looks. That compared to that. So since I cheated, I already know what to do. Let's get along with this one. So I'm gonna do 2 10s, 2 10mm. I'm gonna pop this guy off. There's a little flathead and a little picker and a Phillips. Screw it a little bit, and then once you get it going, pop it out like that. That's it. And this guy slides forward, and then you gotta pull it that way. I hope I didn't break that. Might have broke it, but no. Let's pull it this way. You're good. This is the headlight. This screw, there's a screw right here, which the only way you can get it is from under the car, or the best way is from the side of this inner fender. So we gotta remove it so we get to it. So we gotta turn the wheel inside. I'll just pull it back actually. Just pull it back. And when you're losing light, it took forever. Oh God. Exposed. So you got to go in here, and then there's this, see that little L bracket right there? There's a screw on this side. It's the top one, not the bottom one, the top one. I know it's so hard to see, but it's right there. I'm gonna take it off now. All right, so I got that screw off. Just gotta remove the headlight now. Oh, there's one more screw over here, I forgot. Get that screw out. Got it out, and this should pop out now. Yeah, for my channel. So the next thing you want to do is you want to get your original headlight, and then you want to take off the original light bulbs, because the ones that you buy from Depot don't come with any. So you got to take the low and high beam, turn signal, and then the amber, I think this is daytime running light, and then transfer it to the new one. Another thing you guys got to remember to save is this little clip right here. This doesn't come with the new one. It's in the front, so this is the front of the headlights on the bottom. Just gotta open it up. It slides around, it's like a plastic clip. It's for the grill. So you come here, get this, just pop it in, and it's there. So I already popped it in. The screws on the side, I'm gonna do them later because I'm running out of light, as you can see, and I gotta get this grill on there. But look at that difference. Dang. All right, let me get the grill on there. So you see this little clip right here is just a line. There's a hole right down the middle you want to line it up with. Okay, so it's gonna line it up. It lines up. Okay, clip it there. There. Man, what a game changer. Okay. Alright, so it's installed. Oh, I'm so stoked. Dude. Oh, we forgot one thing. These little guys. Gotta put these in. I forgot. You have to put these on before you put the grill. This goes right under the light. Final product, guys. Look at the difference. Just so in sync now with the black. Man, it looks so good. Probably the hardest part is just getting those screws under the where you have to remove the inner fender. Other than that, it's pretty easy. Here are the old ones. You do have to transfer your lights, which kind of sucks. But whatever, you probably have really good ones. Eventually I'm going to upgrade it to HIDs and LEDs in there, and that wraps it up for that. So thank you guys for watching. Leave comments down below. If you guys are interested in doing any review videos, hit me up, leave comments down below, or you can hit me up on my email. It'll be in the description down below. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.